Hello friends, welcome to Sarat Chandra Banking and SSC Academy. ఈ రోజు క్లాస్లో డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ బేసిక్స్ డిస్కషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ బేసిక్స్లో ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ టేబులర్ డయాగ్రామ్, సెకండ్ మోడల్ బార్ గ్రాఫ్, థర్డ్ మోడల్ లైన్ గ్రాఫ్, ఫోర్త్ మోడల్ పై చార్ట్. సో టోటల్ 4 డిఫరెంట్ సెట్స్ డిస్కషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అబ్జర్వ్ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Study the following table carefully to answer these questions. అంటే ఫస్ట్ 1 to 5 questions based on tabular diagram. సో ఈ సెట్స్ అన్ని కూడా బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి చాలా బాగా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టడీయింగ్ 6 disciplines from 6 colleges. 6 disciplines given, that means 6 different groups are given and 6 different colleges also given. So total college names are A, B, C, D and F. A college, B college, C college, D college, E college and F college. So streams names are science, commerce, architecture, arts, engineering and management. Just observe the values. A college, commerce value is how much? 245. So this is the A college commerce. Just observe the values. Next, E college, arts students how much? E college, E row, arts column. How much? 136. So ఇలా వాల్యూస్ చూడటం అర్థం కావాలి ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ ది 1 by 1 క్వశ్చన్, 5 క్వశ్చన్స్. అబ్జర్వ్ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ది టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టడీయింగ్ సైన్స్ అండ్ ది టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్? ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సైన్స్ టోటల్ అండ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ టోటల్. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే సైన్స్ టోటల్ every college in 300s. So 3 3 3 3 3 6 3s are 1800. 6 3s are 1800. And observe the double digits. 62 plus 26 88, 88 plus 4 92, 92 plus 50 142, 150, 210, 210 plus 6 216, 216 plus 50 266, 266 plus 2 268, 268 plus 50 318. So total value become 2118 science value. In the same way, next one is architecture. Architecture total hundreds 600. Next, observe the double digits. 86 plus 66 152, 152 plus 2 154 plus 70 224 plus 8 232 plus 60 292, 294 354 360 plus 60 420. Total value become 1020. So now the difference between these two values 2118 and 1020. Automatically 2100 plus minus 1000 is equal to the 1100. So 18 minus 20 is equal to minus 2. So automatically this value is equal to the 1098 is the correct answer. Option number 3. So one request and one suggestion. So ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా సెంటెన్స్ మీనింగ్స్ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయండి. సో గివెన్ డేటా ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు సార్, అలాగే క్వశ్చన్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? అబ్జర్వ్ ది సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ కాలేజ్ ఈ వాట్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ది టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్? సో సెంటెన్స్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే, కాలేజ్ ఈలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యొక్క పర్సంటేజ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ కాలేజ్ ఈ. సో ప్లీజ్ రైట్ డౌన్ ది ఫార్ములా ఆర్ మీనింగ్. ఇంజనీరింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్ట్రెంత్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది టోటల్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది టోటల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. So in college E, so college E engineering value is how much? 496. 496. College E total strength. College E total strength. Observe the first hundreds. 300 in science, 200 in commerce. 3 plus 2 500 plus 1 600 plus 1 700 plus 4 1100. 1100 plus 300 1400. In hundreds 1400. Next, observe the double digits. 56 plus 65 121, 121 123 183 189 219, 219 plus 6 225, 225 plus 90 315, 315 plus 42 357. Total value becomes 1757. So total strength of the E is for 1757. Engineering value is 1496. So 1496 percentage out of the 1157. Now observe the options, everyone. 28.23, 34.13, 40.63, 46.33, 52.03. So 10 percentage of the denominator is equal to 175.7. 20 percentage approximately it is equal to 350. 30 percentage it is equal to 10 plus 20. 350 plus 175 it is equal to the 420, 525. 525. But numerator is equal to the 496 only. That means the value is in between 20% and 30%. Now observe the options. We have only one option. So in between 20 and 30. That is, first option is the right answer. So clear? Next question. In which of the given college was the total number of students studying commerce and management is the highest? So one of the wonderful question and easiest one without pen question. In which of the given colleges was the total number of students studying commerce and management is highest? First observe the commerce. So commerce highest in which college? Commerce highest in which college? 245, 264, 252, 256, 265, 272. So highest in F college. Now observe the management, sir. Management 324, 348, 342, 348, 342, 354. Highest in F. So in commerce and management. So in both streams, highest in F college. So finally our answer is F is the right answer. Now observe the fourth question. What is the ratio of the number of students studying commerce in college A, C and E together to the number of students studying arts in B, D and F together? మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ రేషియోస్. సో కామర్స్ స్ట్రీమ్ A, C and E colleges. The same way arts stream B, D and F. Now observe the values. Commerce stream ACE, A value is 245, C value is 252 and E value is 265. Now arts BDF, B value is 142, D value arts 132, next F value 146. Now observe the values. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 12, 6 plus 1 7 plus 5 12 plus 4 16, 700, 762. Next, so 2 plus 2 plus 6 10, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12 and 400. Now the ratio between these two, observe the table. Now observe the two table. 2 3s, 6, 2 8s, 2 1s. The same way 2 table, 2 2s, 2 1s, 0. Next observe the 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s, 3 70s. So finally ratio between commerce ACE to the arts BDF is equal to 127:70. So which option is correct answer? First option. Observe the next question. The last question in the first tabular diagram. By approximate percentage is the total number of students studying college D more than the total number of students studying college A. The question meaning is percentage more in between college D and college A. So in which stream? Stream is not mentioned. Total number of students. College D total and college A total. First observe the college D total. First observe the hundreds. 300 plus 200 500, 500 plus 100 600 plus 1 700 plus 5 1200 plus 300 1500. Now observe the double digits in college D. 60 plus 50 110, 110 plus 60 170, 170 plus 30 200, 200 plus 30 230, 230 plus 40 270. Now observe the singles, first digits. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. Plus 2, 24. Plus 2, 26. Plus 8, 34. So now the total value become 1804. Now observe the A values. Observe the hundreds. 300 plus 200, 500. Plus 1, 600. Plus 1, 700. Plus 4, 1100. Plus 3, 1400. Hundreds are equal to 1400. Now observe the double digits. 60 plus 40, 100. Plus 80, 180. Plus 20, 200. 280. 280 plus 20, 300. Now observe the unit digits. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 4, 29. Total value is equal to the 1729. Now observe the percentage more. The formula for percentage more is equal to the difference by small value into 100. Difference between these two is how much? 71 plus 4, 75. Small value is equal to 1729 into 100. Now observe the options. 5.6, 4.3, 3.5, 6.8, 10.5. So 10% of the denominator is equal to 172.9. 5% is equal to half of that. Half of that is 86 plus. But numerator is equal to 75. Definitely our answer is less than 5. Less than 5, you have two options, 4.3 or 3.5. Now observe the 1% value. So 1% value is equal to the 17 point something. 86 minus 17 is equal to the 69. So 4% value is equal to 69, but numerator is equal to 75. So now your option is in between 4 and 5. So in between 4 and 5, you have only one option. That option is 4.3 is the correct answer. So 5 questions, so clear. Now observe the second set, 6 to 10. Study the following bar graph carefully to answer the questions that follow it. The bar graph given below shows the number of persons enrolled in 3 games in various clubs in a year. Observe the one by one. So total 3 different games are mentioned. One is basketball, second one is cycling, third one is table tennis. In the same way, E club, F club, G club, H club, I club and J club. In E club, basketball value is 200. In E club, basketball value is 200. In F club, basketball is 175. So first value in every club is equal to the basketball. Second value is the cycling. Third value is the table tennis. Okay, na? Okay, clear. So first value is basketball. Second value is cycling. Third value is table tennis. Now observe the one by one question meaning. First question. What is the total number of persons enrolled in the table tennis in all the clubs together? The first question meaning is, meanings are very very important. Observe the meaning and the given data. అలాగే క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా సొల్యూషన్ చేయాలి అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఇన్ ది టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ది క్లబ్స్? సో టోటల్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ వాల్యూస్ అడిగాడు అన్ని క్లబ్స్ లో కలిపి. సో టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ వాల్యూస్, ద ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఈస్, okay listen, first table tennis means last values in every club. In E club, table tennis is equal to the 250. In F club 125. In G club 150. In H club 230. Next, I club 225. J club 320. Now the total value. So 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10. Next, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15 plus 5 20. Next, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11 plus 2 13. 1300. So 1300 is in which option? Option 5 is the correct answer. The first question meaning is total number of persons in table tennis in every club. Second question meaning, what is the respective ratio of the total number of persons enrolled in cycling FH and J to those enrolled in basketball FGH? So important one. So cycling F, H and J. Next one, basketball FGH. Basketball FGH. First observe the cycling FHJ values. Cycling FHJ. Cycling means middle values. 150, 250, J value is 300. Now observe the total. 150 plus 250, 400. 400 plus 300, 700. So this total is equal to the 700. Now observe the basketball FGH. Basketball FGH. So basketball means starting values FGH. 175, 200. 375, 375 plus 275 is equal to 650. So these three values is equal to the 650. Now the ratio between these two, automatically 5 table, 0, 0 gets cancelled, 5 14s and 5 13s. So now your answer is 14:13. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next question. Observe the question meaning first. By what percentage is the total number of persons enrolled in cycling in all the clubs more or less than those enrolled in basketball? Once again, first of all, question is percentage more or less. In all clubs, cycling is how much more or less than that of the basketball? Cycling is how much more than that of the basketball? Now observe the cycling total value and basketball total value. Okay. Observe the first question. Now this is the table tennis. Okay. So but మనకి ఇక్కడ need ఏముంది సార్ అంటే cycling and basketball. Okay. Cycling values. First observe the cycling values. 225 plus 150, that is 375. 375 plus 175 is equal to the 550. 550 plus 250 is equal to the 800. 800 plus 250 is equal to 1050. 1050 plus 300 is equal to 1350. That is, cycling is equal to 1350. Cycling value in all clubs is equal to the 1350. Now observe the basketball total. Basketball total. So basketball total means first values 200, 175, 375, 375 plus 200, 575, 575 plus 275, 850, 850 plus 300, 1150, 1150 plus 350, 1500. So basketball total is equal to the 1500. Now observe the question once again. By what percentage is the total number of persons enrolled in cycling in all the clubs more or less? Cycling is less. So you have to calculate percentage less. The percentage less formula is difference by big value into 100. Difference by big value into 100. Difference between these two is equal to 150. Big value in between these two, 1500 into 100. So 150 out of 1500, exactly it is equal to 10%. Okay, na? So once again, percentage more means difference by small value into 100. Percentage less means difference by big value into 100. So now your answer is percentage less, 10% less. First option is correct. Next question. What is the respective ratio of the total number of persons enrolled in table tennis, cycling, and basketball in all the clubs together? So already మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో డేటా యూజ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే 9th క్వశ్చన్ ని మనం చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. ద రేషియో బిట్వీన్ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్, సైక్లింగ్ అండ్ బాస్కెట్బాల్. సో బై యూజింగ్ 6th క్వశ్చన్ మనం టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ ని టోటల్ వాల్యూ తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. సో 6th క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎన్రోల్డ్ ఇన్ ది టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్? 1300. టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్ వాల్యూ is 1300. But in this question, cycling 1350, basketball 1500. So table tennis total value is 1300, cycling total value is 1350, basketball total value is 1500. Now observe the ratio by using 5 table. First of all, 0 0 gets cancelled. So 526, 527s, 530s. 26 is to 27 is to 30. So option 3 is the correct answer. Now observe the 10th question. The difference between the persons enrolled in all the 3 games in J and E is approximately what percentage of the all the persons enrolled in all 3 games in all the clubs together? Once again, the question meaning is the difference between the persons enrolled in all the 3 games in J and E. J and E, all games, and all clubs, all games. So the difference between these two parts, this is the observe the boxes, the first box and second box, the difference between these two boxes. So already you know second box total value. All clubs, all games values means table tennis total plus cycling total plus basketball total. By using previous question, 1300 plus 1350, 2650, 2650 plus 1500, 2650 plus 1500, it is equal to the 4150. So now second box value is 4150. Okay, once again read the question. The difference between the persons enrolled in all 3 games in J and E, all 3 games J and E, is approximately what percentage of the persons enrolled in all 3 games in all the clubs together? Okay, wait. The question meaning is difference between these two clubs is what percentage of the all games, all clubs. This is the exact question meaning. All games, all clubs. So percentage means into 100. Already you know denominator is equal to 4150. Now observe the numerator value. Numerator value means all games, difference between J and E. Difference between J and E. Okay. J total is J total. So observe the values. Last club 350 plus 300, 650, 650 plus 20, 670, 670 plus 300, 970. J total is 970. Now observe the E total. 200 plus 225, 425 plus 50, 475 plus 200, 675. మనం ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? 970 minus 675 is equal to 900 minus 600, 300. So 5 more. 295 is the difference. 295. 295. So now 295 is what percentage of the 4150? Now observe the options. 10% of the denominator is equal to 415. 5% of the denominator is equal to 207.5. But numerator is 295. Now your option is in between 5 and 10 definitely. So fifth option is wrong. Your option is in between 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now observe the 1% value. 1% value is 41.5. 2% value is 83. Now observe the 5 plus 2. 207.5 plus 83 is equal to the 290.5. 290.5. So your option is also your numerator is 295. Approximately it is equal to 7 point something. So now your option is second option is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. Is it very clear? Okay. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా సెంటెన్స్ మీనింగ్స్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ ది నెక్స్ట్ సెట్. స్టడీ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ లైన్ గ్రాఫ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ టు ఆన్సర్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ గివెన్ బిలో. Sales of companies X and Y from 1314 to 1819. So two companies values are given from 1314 to 1819. Okay, now observe the one by one value. So X values indicates the square shape and Y values indicates the diamond shape. So diamond shades are Y values. Square shades are X values, X company values. Now observe the note point also. Profit is equal to the sales minus cost production. Always profit is equal to the selling price minus cost price. Profit percentage is equal to the profit by cost production into 100%. Okay, very good. Okay, this is the given line graph. Now observe the first question on this line graph. In 16 to 17, only concentration on 16 to 17th year, the profit percentage of the companies X and Y are 20% and 5% respectively. What was the total profit of the two companies together? Okay, so one important point in this question is always your assumption is always cost price is equal to the 100%. Please remember it. నేను ఇక్కడ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ సొల్యూషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ని 100% గా డిఫాల్ట్ గా తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇట్స్ స్టాండర్డ్ పాయింట్, ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఇన్ 16 to 17th year, X and Y cost prices default values in percentage, not in values, 100%. Profits how much given? X value 20%, Y value is 5%. Automatically selling prices values are, selling price means cost price plus profit, it is equal to 120%. It is equal to Y value is equal to 105%. But in our line graph, what is given? Sales, that is selling prices. Now observe the 16 to 17 values. In 16 to 17, X value is 390, Y value is 420. X value is 390. This value is equal to the 390. This value is equal to the 420. But మనల్ని ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో అడగటం ఏం జరిగింది? వాట్ వాజ్ ద టోటల్ ప్రాఫిట్ అంటే X 20% వాల్యూ కావాలి, Y 5% వాల్యూ కావాలి. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 120% వాల్యూ 390 ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. 20% వాల్యూ ఎంత సార్? 120 నుంచి 20 వాల్యూ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి? మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బై 6. 120 by 6 is equal to the 20. In the same way, 390 by 6 is equal to the 20% value. 6 6 are 36, remainder is 30, 6 5. Now 20% value becomes 65. In the same way, 105% value is 420. 5% is equal to the dash. So without pen, మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే 105 force is equal to the 420. In the same way, 5 force is equal to the 20. 5 force is equal to the 20. Now total profit is 65 plus 20, X profit 65, Y profit 20, 65 plus 20 is equal to the 85 is the exact right answer. Okay. అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. Next question. What is the ratio of the total sales of the company X in 14-15 and 15-16 to the sales of the Y in 16-17 and 17-18 together? Ratio అడగటం జరిగింది. X 14-15, 15-16 values, Y 16-17, 17-18. Now first observe the X 14-15, 15-16 values. Okay, X 14-15 value is 280. X 15-16 value is 350. Total become 630. 280 plus 350 is equal to the 630. This total is equal to the 630. Now observe the Y values. 16-17, 17-18. 16-17, 17-18. Y values. So 16, 17 value is 420. 17, 18 value is 350. 420 plus 350 is equal to the 770. 770. This total is equal to the 770. Now the ratio is 630 is to 770. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 7, 9, 63. 7, 11, 77. Automatically our ratio is 9 is to 11 is the right answer. Okay. Next question. What is the average sales per year of company Y from 1314 to 1819? Average of the Y from 1314 to 1819. Average means sum of all values by number of values. From 1314 to 1819 means starting to ending. Starting to ending. Observe the Y values clearly. Okay, Y values means diamond shades. First observe the hundreds. 400 plus 400, 800. 800 plus 300, 1100. 1100 plus 400, 1500. 1500 plus 300, 1800. 1800 plus 300, 2100. Hundreds are equal to 2100. Now observe the tens. 20 plus 50, 70. 70 plus 90, 160. 160 plus 20, 180. 180 plus 50, 230. 230 plus 40, 270. Now total is equal to the 2370. Average of 2370. Average of 2370. Total how many years mentioned? Total how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. So 2370 by 6. It is equal to the 6 3s are 18, 57, 6 9s are 54, 6 5s are 30. So 395 is the correct answer. Option 3 is correct. Now observe the question number 14. In 14 to 15th year, only concentration on 14 to 15th year. The total cost of production of the two companies together was 650 crores. So two companies means X and Y. With the ratio of the cost production of the X to that of the Y being 5:8. What was the profit percentage of the company Y? 14 to 15th year. Sum of two cost prices are equal to 650 crores. X and Y. So X cost price assumption is 100%. Y cost price assumption also 100%. The ratio between X and Y is in cost prices 5:8. Total parts is equal to 13 parts. 13 parts is equal to the 650. One part is equal to the 50. Now X cost price is 5 parts. 5 into 50 is equal to the 250. So X cost price is equal to the 250. Y cost price 8 parts. 850 is 400. 850 is 400. So now cost prices are clear. Okay, మన క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడగటం జరిగిందన్న. So total cost production of the two companies together was 650. With the ratio of the cost of production of the company X to that of the Y being 5:8. So X cost price is equal to 250. Y cost price is equal to the 400. What was the profit percentage of the company Y? Profit percentage of the company Y. Okay, listen. Profit percentage is equal to the profit by cost price into 100. Now cost price already clear. Y value. It is equal to the 400. It is equal to the 400. So now profit. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Cost price is 400. Now selling price. Already మనకి లైన్ గ్రాఫ్ లో మెన్షన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. 14 to 15 Y selling price. 14 to 15 Y selling price. Observe it. 450. So selling price is 450. Cost price is 400 into 100. So now your numerator is equal to 50 by 400. 50 by 400 into 100. It is equal to the 1/8. 1 by 8 is equal to the 12.5% is the correct answer. Option number 1. అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను నీట్గా. ఓకే, క్లియర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. The sales of the company X in 18 to 19 is what percentage of the total sales of the company in all the given years together? Okay, super question. 18 to 19 value is what percentage of the all years? Which company? X company. The sentence meaning is 18 to 19 is what percentage of the all years? Okay. So 18 to 19, observe the value, X company only. Observe the X company. Okay, X company means square shade. 18 to 19 value is 340. Now observe the total values. X company, sorry, X company means square shade. Square shade value is 440. Now observe the total values. First observe the hundreds. 300 plus 200, 500 plus 300, 800, 800 plus 300, 1100, 1100 plus 400, 1500 plus 400, 1900. Hundreds 19. Now observe the tens. 60 plus 80, 140, 140 plus 50, 190, 190 plus 90, 280, 280 plus 20, 300, 300 plus 50, 350. So now total is equal to the 2250. So 18 to 19 value is 450. Observe the round shaded. So total value is 2250. So now 450 is what percentage of the 2250? Easiest calculation. 18 to 19 X value is 450. Total all years value is 2250. 10% of the denominator is equal to the 225. 20% value double 450. Now numerator also equal to 450. Now answer become 20% is the right answer. Which option? Second option is correct. Okay. So total 3 sets completed. First one tabular diagram completed. Next bar graph completed. Next line graph also completed. So now the last set pie chart related. So one of the wonderful question for bank exams. Observe the pie chart. These questions are based on the pie charts given below. So females and males. One pie chart lo females gurinchi mention cheyadam jarigindi. Second pie chart lo males gurinchi mention cheyadam jarigindi. But females are in degrees, males are in percentages. Okay. Now observe these 3 lines, important lines in this question. The above 2 pie charts give the distribution of adults in a city. Adults in a city. Total number of adults in a city is 98,000. That means males plus females. Now observe the third line, very important line. Male to that of the female among the adults in the city ratio is 25:24. That means in ratios always total parts are equal to the total value. Male to female ratio is 25:24. That means 49 parts is equal to the 98,000. So 49 parts is equal to 98,000 means 1 part become 2,000. 1 part become 2,000. Now female parts and male parts. Male parts are 25,000. That means 25 into 2,000 is equal to the 50,000. Male's total value is 50,000. Female's total parts are 24 parts. 24 into 2, 48,000. 48,000. Okay. Listen carefully. Female total 100% value is equal to the 50,000. Females total 360 degrees is equal to the 48,000. Now observe the rough calculations. Okay. Sir, in males 100% is equal to the 50,000. That means 10% value equal to 10% value equal to the 5,000. So 10% 5,000 means 20% value 10,000. Okay. Now observe the one by one values. 5% value, sir, 2500. Okay, one by one. Unemployed is equal to the 2500, 5%. Teachers, 20% is equal to the 10,000. Now doctors, 25% is equal to the 12,500. Lawyers, 10% is equal to the 5,000. Engineers, 25% is equal to the 12,500. Others, 15%, that is 10 plus 5. 5,000 plus 2,500, 7,500. Now observe the females values also. Total 360 degrees equal to 48,000. 36 degrees equal to the 4,800. Okay, now observe the one by one values. 36 degrees equal to the 4,800. 18 degrees value equal to 2,400. Okay. Now observe the 90 degrees value. 1/4 of 360, that is equal to the 12,000. Okay, one by one. So now lawyers is equal to the 2,400. 60 degrees is equal to the 1/6 of the 360, that means 8,000. 1/6 of 48 is equal to 6 8s are 48. 90 degrees value is 12,000. 108 degrees means 90 plus 18. 12 plus 2,400, that is 14,400. Now 54 degrees value is 36 plus 18. 48 plus 24, 7,200. Now 30 degrees value. 30 degrees value 360 degrees by 12. 12 3s are 36. So simply it can be written as 360 by 12. So 360 by 12 means 48 by 12. So it is equal to the 4,000. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా వాల్యూస్ అర్థమైనాయి అనుకుంటున్నాను. నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ ది వన్ బై వన్ క్వశ్చన్. What is the difference between the number of male lawyers and female lawyers? The first question is a difference between male lawyers and female lawyers. Observe the values. Male lawyers is equal to the 10%, that is equal to the 5,000. Male lawyers is equal to the 5,000. Now observe the female lawyers. So female lawyers are 18 degrees, that is equal to 2,400. 2,400. Now the difference between these two become 2,600. So which option is correct? First option is correct. Next question. What is the number of female teachers in the city? Female teachers in the city. So female teachers means the left side pie chart. Teachers in degrees, 90 degrees. 90 degrees value is equal to the 12,000. 90 degrees value is female teachers, this value. It is equal to the 12,000 is the right answer. So option number 3 is the correct answer. మీరు కానీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో చేసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ పై చార్ట్ ని విత్ ఇన్ 2 minutes లో ఆన్సర్ చేసినట్లయితే, అంటే ఆ వాల్యూస్ ని కానీ డిస్క్రైబ్ నీట్ గా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసినట్లయితే క్వశ్చన్స్ ని వన్ బై వన్ చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది అర్థం చేసుకోగలగాలి. నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ ది 18th క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఇన్ ద సిటీ? టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీర్స్ మీన్స్ మేల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ప్లస్ ఫిమేల్ ఇంజనీర్స్. Now observe the female engineers value is 7,200. Male engineers value is 12,500. Sum of these two round boxes, 7,200 plus 12,500, it is equal to the 19,700. 19,700 is the right answer. 19,700 is there? No, none of this is the correct answer. ఇంకొక మిస్టేక్, మనం చేసిన క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ మిస్టేక్ అని చెప్పేసి 19,500 ఇలా ఆన్సర్ చేయొద్దు ఎవరు కూడా. So simply our answer is 19,700. Answer is none of this is correct answer. Okay. Next question. The number of males who are unemployed as a percentage of the total unemployed persons in the city. Male unemployed is what percentage of the total unemployed? Is the exact question meaning. Please observe the question meanings first. Observe the values. Male unemployed. Male means right side pie chart. Unemployed value is 2,500. This value is what percentage of the total unemployed? Total unemployed means male unemployed plus female unemployed. So female unemployed is how much? 4,000. So 4,000 plus 2,500, 6,500. So male unemployed value is 2,500. Total unemployed value is 4,000 plus 2,500, 6,500. So automatically 0000 gets cancelled. 25 by 65 into 100. 5 5s and 5 13s. 13 7s are 91. Again remainder is 9. Approximately 13 7s are 91. So 5 7s are 35. 5 into 0.7, 3.5. 35 plus 3.5 is equal to 38.5 is the right answer. 38.5. Which option? Fourth option is right answer. Okay. Last question. What is the total number of what is the ratio of the total number of engineers to that of the total number of teachers in the city? ఆల్రెడీ మీరు ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే టోటల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటాను. ద రేషియో బిట్వీన్ టోటల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అండ్ టోటల్ టీచర్స్. Total engineers. Observe the left side pie chart. 70 to 100. 12,500. So total engineers value 7,200 plus 12,500. It is equal to the 19,700. 19,700 is the total teachers. Total engineers. Total teachers value. So left side value is 12,000 and right side value is 10,000. Total become 22,000. Now the ratio between these two, 0000 gets cancelled. 197 is to 220. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Okay friends. So these are the first 4 data interpretation bank PO level sets. ఈ 4 సెట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు క్వశ్చన్ మీనింగ్స్ కరెక్ట్గా అర్థం చేసుకొని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్గా నేర్చుకున్నట్లయితే ప్రతి బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా బెస్ట్ స్కోర్ చేయొచ్చు డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ నుంచి అని గ్యారంటీ ఇవ్వగలను. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు సెంటెన్స్ మీనింగ్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, గివెన్ డేటా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి. రైట్. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఈ 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ అర్థమైనాయి అనుకుంటున్నాను. మరలా మీరు ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.